Hello and welcome back to Spanish from Scratch. I'm Eduardo. If you have been watching my videos, thank you very much for the support, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you learn a thing or two about Spanish with me. Today's lesson will be the part number 4, or the fourth concept of the subjunctive tense. So far we have studied the first 3 concepts and the conjugation, so if you haven't watched any of those videos, I strongly recommend you do, so you won't be missed and you will be up to date with this study. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to express how the actions of other people makes us feel. For example, when you say, I don't like when other people throw garbage on the street. No me gusta que la gente tire basura en la calle. Or I get annoyed when people visit me without calling. Me molesta que la gente me visite sin avisar, etc, etc. So without any further ado, let's jump into the whiteboard. Okay guys, so as usual, we're going to begin with the whiteboard and with some examples of the target structure. So today we're going to practice emotions, how other people's actions make us feel. So let's take a look at the first example, and we say, me molesta que la gente hable en el cine. Let's repeat that one more time. Me molesta que la gente hable en el cine. So, as in many concepts of the subjunctive, we will have 2 subjects. So, the first subject is yo, or a mí. A mí me molesta que. So, let's remember that molestar in Spanish means to annoy. So, if I say me molesta, it means it annoys me. So, yo, I am the subject 1. And the subject 2 is la gente, people. So I am annoyed by something that people do. What is it that annoys me? That people speaks in the cinema. Que la gente hable en el cine. So the first part, me molesta que, will be in simple present. Me molesta que, we will have the nexus, or the bridge that connects the indicative and the subjunctive, the word que. Me molesta que la gente hable. So hable would be the subjunctive verb. So let's repeat the phrase one more time. Me molesta que la gente hable en el cine. Veamos el número 2. Me enoja que tomen mis cosas sin permiso. One more time. Me enoja que tomen mis cosas sin permiso. So, me enoja significa it makes me mad. Again, we connect with the que. Me enoja que tomen mis cosas sin permiso. So this means it makes me mad that people take my things, my objects, without my permission, my belongings. When we speak about things in general, like it makes me mad when people in general touch my belongings, we use the verbs in plural, like in this case, tomen. It's like when people take my belongings. So again, we have an emotion, it makes me angry, and we have the action that makes us angry from another person. So let's repeat again. Me molesta que tomen mis cosas sin permiso. Vamos al siguiente. A mi madre no le gusta que la visiten sin avisar. One more time. A mi madre no le gusta que la visiten sin avisar. So, my mother doesn't like to be visited without previous notice. So, we have again subject 1, a mi madre. Subject 2, the people that visit her without previous knowledge. Entonces decimos, a mi madre no le gusta que, doesn't like that, la visiten sin avisar, people visit her. So again, no le gusta will be in present, and the thing that she doesn't like, the action would be in subjunctive, visiten. Okay? Now, this is the common way when we say things like, I like that people blah blah blah, me gusta que la gente, etc. Or in negative, I don't like that people blah blah blah, no me gusta que la gente, etc. It functions for many verbs like me enoja que, it makes me angry that, me molesta que, it annoys me that, me entristece que, it saddens me that. All these verbs use this construction when we're talking about other people's actions. Now, let's do this exercise. So we'll have here me gusta que y no me gusta que, right? So, for example, yo digo, a mí me gusta que las personas me. So, I like that people. And the verb is poner. So, let's put poner in subjunctive. Me gusta que las personas me pongan atención. One more time. A mí me gusta que las personas me pongan atención. So, I like that people pay attention to me. Ahora, in the negative, it will function the same way. I would say, no me gusta que la gente, the verb is hablar, so we change it into hable. No me gusta que la gente hable con la boca llena. I don't like that people speak with their mouth full. One more time. No me gusta que la gente hable con la boca llena. Now let's go with David. A David le gusta mucho que su mamá. The verb is cocinar. Can you make the conjugation? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A David le gusta que su mamá cocine pasta con albóndigas. Otra vez, a David le gusta mucho que su mamá cocine pasta con albóndigas. So David likes a lot that his mother cook pasta with meatballs. Y vamos al siguiente. A David no le gusta que le mucha tarea. So the verb is asignar. Asignar means to assign, like to assign homework. So a David no le gusta que le. It would be like David doesn't like to be assigned much homework. So asignar, let's put it in subjunctive. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A David no le gusta que le asignen mucha tarea. Eso es. This is the same case when we say that when we talk about people in general, we use the plural form. Who is assigning homework to David? Well, their teachers. So we don't know if the teachers is one or two or several, so we just use the plural form, okay? Let's go with the next one. Ellas. So, a ellas les gusta que las a comer. And the verb is llevar. So we're saying they like to be taken out for dinner or to eat lunch, a comer. Again, we use the verb in plural because it's in general. Vamos. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we say, a ellas les gusta que las lleven a comer. Y por último, a ellas no les gusta que les piropos. Now the word piropo significa pick up line in Spanish. So, and the verb is decir, to say. So it will be, they don't like that people, that men, tell them pick up lines. So the verb is decir, let's put it in subjunctive and in plural. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we say, a ellas no les gusta que les digan piropos. Very good. So you see, it's always when we talk about emotions with me gusta que, I like that, no me gusta que, I don't like that. And then we talk about other people. So if you see, the only thing you need to remember is that we are talking about how the action of other people makes us feel. That way we can know when to use these specific concepts. So when we say, I like that you study very much, me gusta que estudies mucho, or I don't like that you call me that, no me gusta que me llames así. And that way we can start practicing this concept. Remember, you need to study every day and that you need to be practicing the different concepts separately, okay? If you try to do it all at once, you will get confused. Now remember that if you found value in this video, guys, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel or you share it with someone who is trying to learn the subjunctive in Spanish. Also remember, I'm a full-time Spanish teacher online on Berlin, so if you're interested in taking private lessons, I will link down my teacher's profile in the description of this video. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!